Imagine sitting across from someone you care about deeply. Maybe it's your partner, maybe it's a friend, or maybe even someone in your family. You can sense they're holding something inside, something they're not saying, but you don't know how to reach it. You want them to feel safe enough to open up, to share their thoughts and emotions, but every time you ask, "What's wrong?" or "Are you okay?" you get the same short, closed answers. "I'm fine," or "Nothing." That moment can be frustrating, even heartbreaking, because you know there's more beneath the surface. But here's the truth. Sometimes it's not about asking dozens of questions. Sometimes it's about asking one powerful, simple question that invites openness instead of pressure. And that question is, how are you really? Think about the difference. When you ask, "How are you?" it's often just a polite habit. Most people answer automatically, "Good," "Fine," or "Not bad." But when you add that one extra word, "really," you create space. You're letting the other person know you're not looking for the surface level response. You're giving them permission to go deeper. That tiny shift in language can transform the conversation completely, because deep down, everyone wants to be seen, to be heard, to feel that someone genuinely cares. And when you ask, "How are you really?" you're signaling that you're ready to listen without judgment. Now, here's why this works so well. Human beings are naturally protective of their inner world. We don't always want to appear weak, vulnerable, or needy. Many of us have been conditioned to hide our true feelings because we fear being misunderstood or dismissed. So when you ask a generic question, people tend to give generic answers. But by using the word "really," you're breaking that pattern. You're showing that you're not just making small talk, you're offering a safe doorway into honesty. It's almost like telling them, "I can handle your truth. I want to know the real story, not just the mask." Imagine asking your partner after a long day, "How are you really?" Instead of shrugging and saying, "I'm fine," they might pause, take a breath, and say, "Honestly, today was overwhelming. I feel like I'm under so much pressure." That moment of vulnerability is priceless because it gives you a chance to connect on a deeper level. It's not about fixing their problem immediately. It's about letting them know they don't have to carry it alone. Sometimes just being heard is enough to lighten someone's burden. But asking the question isn't enough. You also have to be ready to hold space for the answer. That means putting your phone down, making eye contact, and showing genuine interest. Listen more than you speak. Don't rush to give advice unless they ask for it. Sometimes people just need to release what's been bottled up inside. If you cut them off with quick solutions, they might feel unheard again. But if you truly listen, they'll feel safe to share more with you in the future. And here's another subtle but powerful detail. The tone of your voice matters. If you ask, "How are you really?" in a casual or dismissive way, it loses its impact. But if you ask with warmth, patience, and sincerity, the other person will feel the difference. Your energy communicates as much as your words do. They'll sense that you genuinely care. That's what breaks down walls. This simple question is especially important in relationships. So many couples drift apart not because of big fights, but because of silence. One partner bottles up stress, fears, or sadness, while the other assumes everything is fine. Over time, the emotional distance grows wider. But when you consistently create moments where the other person feels safe to open up, you strengthen the bond. You show them that they don't have to pretend with you, that with you, they can be real. It also works with friends. You might have a friend who always plays the role of the strong one, the one who makes everyone laugh, the one who never seems to struggle. But maybe behind that smile, they're hurting. Asking, "How are you really?" can be the opening they've been waiting for. It's a reminder that they don't have to hide their pain from you. And sometimes that single question can save someone from sinking deeper into loneliness. Even with family, especially parents or siblings, this question can unlock emotions that have been buried for years. We often assume our parents don't need emotional support, but they do. Imagine looking at your mom or dad and gently asking, "How are you really?" That simple act can open a floodgate of emotions they never thought they could share. It tells them that their feelings matter too, not just their responsibilities. The beauty of this question is that it doesn't require special skills, deep psychology, or complicated techniques. It's simple, human, and deeply effective. But it only works if you mean it. If you're asking just out of curiosity or habit, people will sense that. The key is authenticity. You have to truly care about the answer, even if it's uncomfortable, even if it takes time, even if it's not what you expected. So the next time you're with someone who feels distant, someone you want to connect with on a deeper level, don't bombard them with complicated questions. Just pause, look at them with genuine concern, and ask, "How are you really?" Then give them the gift of silence, the gift of listening, the gift of being fully present. Because sometimes one heartfelt question is all it takes to unlock the words someone has been dying to say. And when they finally open up, you'll realize that this simple question is not just about starting a conversation. It's about building trust, closeness, and love that lasts.